Welcome all. Today's point is differential pilot wire protection, which is used for a transmission line protection. In that, we will discuss about the merge price voltage balance system. But as we know that the differential pilot wire protection is based on the principle of under normal condition. In that, current entering one end of line which is equal to current leaving at another end of line. So relay will not operate. As soon as when the fault occurs, then this condition is no longer same, that is incoming current and outgoing currents are not equal, and the difference of current will flow through the relay and it gives to trip circuit or gives command to the circuit breaker. So there are several protection scheme used for transmission line protection. Among that, we will see about the merge price voltage balance system. This is a schematic diagram for merge price voltage balance system. It consists of a transmission line, and at the both end of this transmission line two CTs are connected, that is CT1 and CT2, and this pair of CTs in each line is connected in series with a relay in such way that under normal operating condition the secondary voltages are equal and which is in opposite direction, that is they will balance each other. म्हणजे काय, ज्यावेळी नॉर्मल कंडिशन असणार आहे त्यावेळी दोन्ही सीटीचा रेशो म्हणजे CT1 आणि CT2चा रेशो आयडेंटिकल असल्यामुळं फ्लो होणारा करंट हा इक्वल असेल नॉर्मल कंडिशनला, आणि त्यामुळे ही सिस्टीम आपली बॅलन्स असेल, आणि बॅलन्स असल्यामुळं रिले कोणताही ऑपरेट होणार नाही आणि ट्रिप सर्किट कंप्लीट होणार नाही. अँड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फॉर द नॉर्मल ऑपरेटिंग कंडिशन. And during this normal operating condition, that is a healthy condition, current entering in the line at one end, that is this is a current entering at one end which is equal to current leaving from another end. Therefore equal and opposite voltage are induced in a secondary of CT. Current entering which is equal to current leaving, therefore equal and opposite voltage will induced in a secondary of CT, that is here this is a secondary of CT. So this result, no current will flow through the relay coil because this is a healthy condition. So let's see, another condition is nothing but a faulty condition, that is when fault occurs. Suppose consider this is a location of fault, this is a long transmission line and on that long transmission line one fault is occur, and due to this fault occurs the condition which is no longer same, and this will cause a greater current to flow through the CT1 than the CT2. That is, due to faulty condition, current flowing through CT1 is very high as compared to current flowing through the CT2. Consequently, the secondary voltages becomes unequal, that is CT1 and CT2 ह्या दोन्ही CTच्या अक्रॉस जे काही सेकंडरी व्होल्टेज असेल ते बिकम अनइक्वल and circulating current will flow through this pilot wire. The use of pilot wire is to connect the two CTs, and therefore unequal voltages which causes flow of current through this pilot wire and as well as these two relay, and due to this a circuit breaker at both ends will trip out, that is this relay, this circuit breaker for this CT, relay circuit breaker for this CT. So circuit breaker at both ends will trip out and fault of the line will be get isolated. ज्यावेळी ट्रान्समिशन लाईनवरती फॉल्ट येणार आहे, फॉल्ट आल्यानंतर सिस्टीम ही अनबॅलन्स होणार आहे. सिस्टीम अनबॅलन्स झाल्यामुळं करंट एंटरिंग आणि करंट लिव्हिंग इक्वल नसणार आहेत, आणि सेकंडरी व्होल्टेज विल ऑल्सो बिकम अनइक्वल, आणि सेकंडरीचे व्होल्टेजेस अनइक्वल असल्यामुळं काय होणार आहे, हा सर्क्युलेटिंग करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू दिस पायलट वायर. पायलट वायरचा यूज कशासाठी होतो तर दोन्ही सीटी कनेक्ट करण्यासाठी. आणखीन हे झाल्यामुळं सर्क्युलेटिंग करंट ह्या सीटी पायलट वायरमधून फ्लो होतो, आणि पायलट वायरमधून फ्लो झाल्यामुळं रिलेमधून फ्लो होतो, आणि इट विल गिव्ह कमांड टू द सर्किट ब्रेकर, आणि सर्किट ब्रेकर विल आयसोलेट फॉल्ट. म्हणजे फॉल्ट आल्यानंतर CT1 मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट विच इज अ व्हेरी हाय ॲज कम्पेअर टू CT2. सो मर्ज प्राइस व्होल्टेज बॅलन्स सिस्टम विल check the circulating current and it will give command to the circuit breaker, and circuit breaker will isolate the line. So this is a merge price voltage balance system of transmission line protection.